Hello everyone, welcome to Life Science Insider. In this video, we are going to talk about there is a opportunity for JRF vacancy in the BHU Varanasi Metabolomics or Bioinformatics. So basically, let's get started. And this notification is from Kashi Hindu Vishwavidyalaya. So in the Department of Botany, Institute of Science. So advertisement is being released on 10th of June 2023. Applications are invited for the post of Junior Research Fellow with a fellowship amount of 37,000 plus HRA per month in the SERB sponsored project entitled Heritable Priming by Plant Growth Promoting Rhizobacteria (PGPR), a new strategy for weed protection against biotic stress. And this is the code number that has been given for the project. The post is temporary and coterminous with the project. The candidate should be having the MSc Botany, Life Science, Biotechnology, Biochemistry, Microbiology, Bioscience with the 55% or above, and must have the qualified JRF NET gate. The upper age limit of the candidate with the experience in the area of metabolomics, bioinformatics, molecular biology, epigenetics, or related field will be preferred. All things being equal, SC/ST candidates will be preferred as per Government of India rules. Applications on a plain paper giving name, permanent address, a corresponding address, names of father and mother, telephone number, and the email address to detail of educational career starting from the high school or equivalent, and the details of any research or other experience should be submitted along with the self-attested copy of all mark sheets and the certificates. The application in the hard copy should reach within the 21 days of the publication of advertisement. The Dr. Prashant Singh, to Principal Investigator, Department of Botany, Institute of Science, Banaras Hindu Vishwavidyalaya, Varanasi, will be subject line JRF application for SCRB project. Only a shortlisted candidate will be intimated through email for physical or online interview. No TADA will be paid if called for the interview. So Prashant Singh, Principal Investigator in SCRB project, Department of Botany, Institute of Science, Banaras Hindu Vishwavidyalaya. Okay, so this was the video about. This is the phone number that has been given, pshingbhu.ac.in, and the web link is also been given here. So you can apply from this, but actually you will have to apply through the email, okay, in the plain paper. So this was the video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you don't want to miss any kind of opportunity like this, project or opportunity, PhD admission notifications, or the internship, like, so you can consider, you should considering this channel to be subscribed. Okay, have a good day. Bye.